What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show the FMS new 4 crawlers. Now here is the 1/24th skills crawlers. Now it's a Land Rover families. We have the Land Rover Camel Trophy Edition. Now this is the 4 trucks. We have the Land Rover D90, D110 and then the Range Rovers. Now let's unbox it. Now here is the Land Rover's Camel Trophy families. Here is the Defender, the 110, and this is the Range Rovers, Discoveries, and the Defender D90. By the way, I love the D90s most because it's a short wheelbase versions. And may have the more quality performance. Now let's look at these Camel Trophy families. Look at this. It all have the front bumpers and the roof rack and the back tires. By the way, the Range Rovers is different from other 3 trucks. It has 2 back tires on the roof. Now, these crawlers all have the foams in the tires. Look at it, so soft and have the more supportive than former. And the shock coils. I think there is shock coils in the shocks. Now let's see the interiors of these crawlers. So easy to look at the interiors. The ESC and the receivers all in one, and the 050 brushed motors here, and the batteries are in the rears. Now this is a servos to shift the slow speed to high speed. So easy to look at the interiors. By the way, these 4 trucks are all the same chassis distribution. Look at the Defender's D90s. Here's the lights on. Now this is a high-speed gears. Look at it. Wow, so fast. Now this is the neutral gears, low-speed gears. So slow.